Alright. Hi, this is Lucky Smith, and I'm with Star River News Magazine. Today is March 31st, and I'm here with
Chris Austin.
Hi, Chris. And what position do you play?
I play quarterback, receiver, and corner.
And who do you play for right now?
Right now, I'm playing for Cerritos College.
So I'm hearing rumors about you getting drafted to the NFL. What's that all about?
I mean, once I finish my 2 years, I'm on the bigger things, and then from there, it's all God, you know.
Okay. And so, how long have you been playing sports now?
I've been playing for 12 years. Yeah, 12 years.
So, are you in love with football?
I am. I mean, that's my first love.
And what's the team? If you're going to get drafted, what's your dream team?
My dream team, Green Bay Packers. You gotta do it. Cheesehead.
How long have you been a Cheesehead now?
Cheesehead, I mean, since I've known the game. Since I've known the game, it's happened.
When did you fall in love with football? Give us that moment.
When I fall in love with football, I think I was about, I don't even know, honestly, a couple of months old. The day I learned how to run, started running the walls from what my family say, that's the day I learned, you know?
Yeah. So that was just the moment that you're like, yeah. And has your family been supportive with you?
Very supportive. That's my #1 fan, you feel me, family. My mom, my pops.
And, you know, this is good. We have 35,000 viewers worldwide. Any messages for your fans? Anything, you know?
I mean, hit me up on Twitter, C_Austin, #2. You mean, just come along for the ride. I mean, we got a long time. It's gonna happen.
Thank you, and this is Lucky Smith signing off.